I want to show you guys that this is freshly out the pack. You definitely, well, not freshly out, I washed this wig, okay? You don't have to. It did come with curls, I believe, and I straightened my hair out. As you can see, there's money pieces in the front, which is really nice, especially if you're a girl that do not like to color or really customize. This wig is definitely for you because it already comes pre-colored for you. As you can see right here, it's like a warm brown, or is it warm brown? Yeah, it's a warm brown right here. It's a cute summer wig. It is a ready to wear wig, so therefore that means that you do not have to do anything to this unit but slap her on and style her to your liking. Okay, like I said, there's money pieces in the front, so it will frame you if you do decide. I think this will look very much cute with beach waves. I do not have any wands or curlers on me, so I couldn't do that for you guys. I would love to do that. I actually want to go in and lighten some more pieces, so let me know down below if you guys want me to bleach this wig to see if it could go any lighter, because I will definitely do that with you guys. This hair is very silky and shiny, and I did use silicone mix to condition this wig. Use silicone mix to condition all of my wigs. I would suggest that for you guys too, just to make sure that your wigs are lasting a longer period of time, especially if you are ordering wigs off of Amazon or anywhere. Just use silicone mix and I promise you it will make a world of a difference. And if you want to up your game, get the shampoo with it too. I'll have that link down below in the description box for you guys, so it can be an easier purchase for you. If you're interested in this wig, I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you. And until next time, bye best friends. And if you like these types of videos, make sure you watch the next one. And let's. So this video is sponsored by UNice. This is their 7x5 by knot. So this is just a fancy 6x6. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. All right. So it comes ready to wear. So like I said before, it does have curls in there. The knots come bleached. This is a glueless cap. Okay, you do not have to use glue when it comes to these type of wigs. Okay, it does have combs, and it does come with an elastic band that I do not have on this wig, and it is pre-colored for you. So I did go to like my local Burlingtons to find a curling iron because all of mine are packed up in moving boxes, so I could not find mine for the life of me. So I just went to go buy some cheap ones, and let me tell you, I'm going to go return these because these did not do the job that I needed them to do. So I tried it, did not work, put it back in the box, and I'm gonna go return those. Okay, but anyway, so I did go in and just flat iron this unit, and I'm going to use Red by Kiss to lay this down. Now, because this is a closure unit, like I said before, you do not have to use any type of adhesive. Sprays is adhesive. It's just a lighter version of an adhesive. It's not like lace glue, but it's still something that's going to lay your lace down. But I'm going to use it because I like my lace to stay put. I have a bigger head, and so I do not want my wigs to slip off or anything like that. So I am going to use this Red by Kiss. I'm going to spray it and then blow dry it until it turns tacky, then lay my lace down and then blow dry it till it's fully dry on medium or cold heat settings. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I am going to go ahead and take some Got2b glue, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the glue on my nail or a brush, and then I'm going to just go ahead and put it underneath the edge of the lace that's still sticking up, and I'm going to blow dry that also down so it can make sure that it's staying down and that it's not waving hello to whomever is looking, because when I tell you, guys will be like, your lace is lifting you to death. Okay, and I'm not trying to be clocked like that. Like, I know I'm wearing a wig, you know I'm wearing a wig, but I don't want you to tell me my lace is lifting because I don't want that. So I'm just gonna take extra measures to just make sure that my lace is laying down flat. Now here you can see my stocking cap. I really don't care. Listen, I am tired of molding down stocking caps, and I'm going through postpartum shedding, and so I don't want anything that's gonna make my hair shed even more. Okay, so I'm just gonna say no to molding of the stocking caps, because me laying down my wigs right in front of my hairline is doing too much for me anyway, but I'm still gonna do that. But yeah, so I'm gonna take my hot comb and I am just gonna go ahead and press out the front of my hair just to make sure it looks nice, and the part just to make sure that it's flat, and just make sure that everything is just like flowing. Since this is flat ironed already, I flat ironed it probably like a day before. I'm gonna go in and flat iron it again just to make, well, pass it through just to make sure that everything is flat and silky and flowy. And that's what I'm doing here. Really didn't get any shedding with this, but because this is a pre-color wig, I'm going to tell you to use silicone mix. I am an advocate. I'm an advocate for your wigs, okay? Give it some luster, give it some shine. Get your silicone mix and get you some Adore semi-permanent and crystal clear. Mix both of those products together. Don't pour all the crystal clear in your conditioner cup, jar, all right? And let it condition that way. But this is what she turned out looking like. She is super shiny on her own, okay? And if you are interested in this wig, I think she's super cute. I think she's summer ready. I'll have her link down below in the description and everything that I use as well. Bye, best friends.